Who are you? You are not your name. You are not what is written on your business card or in your social media handle. You are not your profession. You are not your role in your family. You are not your past. You are not your age. You are not your watch or your clothes. You are not the number on the scale. You are not the number on your bank account. You are not even your feelings or your thoughts. You are neither your accomplishments nor your fears. Take off all those suits. Your identity goes beyond all that. Become aware of being the witness of the limited version of you, the one you have believed you are. See limitations, fear, and drama vanish. Remember your divinity. Remember you are light. Remember you are peace. Embrace your infinite identity. See an expansive and joyful and healthy life experience unfold. Remember who you are. Remember. Authenticity, living in alignment with who we are. Why is that important in the first place? Well, it is important because when you are not authentic, you live a life for very different reasons than for heart-centered reasons. You want to prove other people wrong. You want to show them who is the boss. And that is living from the ego. And at the end of the day, what you have is reaching the top of the mountain and feeling, is this all there is? This leads to dissatisfaction. And this is precisely where I don't want you to be. Why? Because I have been there. I have reached my top of a mountain and feeling, what am I doing? I didn't actually please my father or society or colleagues by doing something that really doesn't align with my heart, doesn't make me happy, and doesn't give me any meaning. So I don't want you to suffer that. I want you to get as honest as possible with who you are so that you get closer to it. You see, I want to give explanation that is very spiritual. You are actually two in one. You are your tiny little self with this body, tiny little body with bones and muscles and hair and a mother and a father, maybe a husband or children, a job. This is your mini me version. And that one you understand perfectly. This is what you will answer to anybody. Well, hi, my name is Mary. Hi, I am the director of this company. Hi, I'm the wife of John. That's easily understood. But that definition is just very tiny. It's a mini part of who you are. The big deal of who you are is something much bigger than that. And that is something that I like to call the higher self. The higher self is that big version of you, that divine version of you that is observing you. The scientists have called it the observer. This is a part of your identity that it is walking with you, shining a light towards what is really, truly important in your life. When you are deviating in your spiritual development, it shines you a light towards what is important in your next developmental stage. You need to trust more. On the contrary, you need to run away. You need to be courageous to actually do it yourself. You need to be soft and ask for help. All are different assignments that are useful for expanding your soul. You will become more authentic, more successful in a meaningful way by connecting with that big self identity of yours. When you connect with this concept, you will realize that you are part of the entire universe. As we are becoming more and more aware, what you do and don't do matters. If you throw trash here, a butterfly dies there. If you forgive this person, a little kitten will be healthier tomorrow. Everything is interconnected. Carl Jung studied it and he called it synchronicity. And it's really astonishing. He proved that with mathematics, but you can see it with your intuition, that what you do matters. And as you connect with this high force, this high expanded identity of you, and you start taking actions that expand your soul and keeps you closer to this expanded identity, life becomes a joyous experience, not something to strive for, but something to enjoy, like a game of becoming, a game of becoming, a quest of living your expanded version of you. Imagine that you're triggered yet again by somebody who takes you over in the traffic, by a person who lied, by a person who, did horrible things. Just connect with your higher self and remember. So if I am love, if I am light, if I am everything, if I am the oneness, what am I supposed to do right now? How can I embody love right now? How can I embody love right now? The more conscious you become of this, you will act in very different ways. How you listen to others, how you listen to your own needs, how you defend your ideas, how you defend your children, how you care for humanity, how you care for yourself. You will become more balanced and you will inspire others to do the same. Because you see, your life will change dramatically. Your health will improve, your business will improve, the relationships that you will have will improve just by connecting with your divinity, just by remember your true identity. When you are in that authenticity, everything changes. I hope this was helpful for you. I wish you all the best.